Hello guys, I hope you guys are fine. I hope everyone is good. So now I'm gonna show you how to start 250 steel machine, petrol one. I hope it's gonna start because this machine is now old. It's always giving me problems. And the last time I was working with it wasn't on a good condition. So first of all, you have to check your tanks if are they filled. Or so this one is here, it's a one for petrol. So every time if you put a petrol, make sure your thing make sure your petrol is mixed. You can see this one is tank showing for petrol plus a mixture. There's a mixture, so don't just put petrol and you don't mix, because otherwise you're gonna have a problem. So unfortunately I don't have something to show you to demonstrate how the mixture looks, but if you go to any steel company and ask for petrol mixture, they're gonna say it for you, they're gonna show you. And this one, okay, wait, first I'm sure my thing is full already. My petrol is not full. It's not full. Hold on, let me just go grab a petrol right there where I put my petrol. Okay, this one is my petrol. You can see it's already mixed. Okay, let me try to make the tank full. Let me fill my tank. I'm filling the tank right now. You can see. Where does it show you? I'm filling the tank. Hope it's gonna start. Okay, good. I'm putting my petrol. Where's my lead? Okay, then this is how you close. Make sure the thing is properly closed. This is how you close. You close it like this. Then this is how you close your thing. Then I'm checking my oil on the other side. Make sure you have oil here. Unfortunately I don't have enough oil inside, but there's some oil. I don't have enough oil, and I don't know. My oil is not here. I have, but it's far. So unfortunately, but there's oil. So I'm gonna just try to start my machine. So before you start, what you do, you come this side, then you check. Make sure your machine is on choke. Put it on choke. This you press here and put it on choke. Okay, right here is on choke, ne? Then this one is, when it's off, is here on 0. You start it here. This is choke there. So if you want to start your machine, what you do, you put it on choke first, ne? Then you rev it. I'm gonna show how you do it. Then you listen to the sound of the machine. When the machine start to change the sound, then you lift it up. Then you lift it up there so that you can start. Okay, let me try. Let me see if I can manage to do. I hope it's gonna start, because the machine is having a big problem. Don't start. Oh, let me try to put my camera on. I don't know where to put my camera. Let me try. My machine is on choke, so I'm gonna start the machine right now. This camera is giving me a problem. My camera is giving me a problem. Let me try to put it on the right side. I hope you can see from here. Trying to put my camera right here. The camera right here. So I'm gonna try to start the machine. Okay, let's go. Go. One, two. Okay. You heard the sound. I hope you heard the sound. When the machine it changed the sound. So then just when you put it on top, you put it on top right here. I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can see. Then this is how I'm gonna start the machine. Let me try to start it. Yes, if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe. Thank you very much.